This is a mini forklift. Today we will use this mini as a dispatching teaching example. This slow speed is our forward, backward button. Or switching to high speed is its forward. Forward. And this is our small e-stop. If pressed, IT cuts off automatic communication. The power on key. This is the switch between automatic and manual, and these two are debugging interfaces. And this is the large e-stop. If the large e-stop is pressed, it will cut off all PLC communication. Both automatic and manual cannot be used. We need to enter the app. Then we need to open this software. After opening the software, we click on this vehicle type. Then we enter the network. Then we connect to the wireless network. After the network connection is completed, we will see its navigation IP. We need to enter the machine background through this IP to perform mapping.
Enter the navigation IP address in the browser. Directly enter the control background of the robot. Click the mapping mode in the left sidebar. Select Laser Mapping. Click Finish after the map scanning is completed.
Then after the mapping is completed, we need to save the map. The current first map is the map it says is applied. After the download is completed, we need to enter its dispatching server. Then we need to open the project. Then we need to create a project. I'm using test to replace the project name here. After creating the project, we click here to enter this page. Add the map just saved here. Then we confirm the addition. After adding, we also need to add the machine number. We can't get it at the beginning. We need to enter the software. Then we need to input the server address into this page. Then we click retry. After retrying, let's look at the screen again. Then click add and refresh the page. Then we will see the machine number. After getting the machine number, we can directly add the machine. We need to select the device type. We are using mini. Then we click retry again to enter the software. After entering the software, we check its IP. Then we enter the dispatching map editing. Edit the map. Then we connect the machine's IP again. After we input the IP, we click enter. Then we can see the machine's current position on the map. Then we can start drawing routes. We need to move the vehicle, drive to the pallet point it wants. To mark the storage location point, we need to insert the forklift into the pallet to mark it. Then we click Add Point. Then we add a storage location point. We click current position. Then this is our starting point. Then we need to add another its end point. We add another end point. Then we need to add a docking point in front of the storage location, used for the forklift to identify the pallet. Then similarly, create a docking point in another place. Then we click add route. If there is only one machine, we select a bidirectional route. Here you can see two arrows. Then we connect them. Then let's edit the route width. We usually default to 200 by 200. Then apply to all. We use 6 routes. We need to change the protection attribute to protection point. Then we need to bind the protection. Designated docking point. And then as well as this way we can upload the map. After the upload is complete, we click save and exit. Then we create a task template here. In tasks, we'll just name it whatever here. Then we select the map. Then select this lift. Let us select the point again. Mid-lift is one of its actions. Select its action. Then we select its destination, which is offline, unloading. Then one such action is completed. We select the machine type again. Let's switch the vehicle to automatic mode. Then we click start allocation. We click execute. This is why we didn't set the route reverse type. We first need to set the forward and reverse types of this route. For example, P1 to P4 is forward type. Then from PP4 to P1 to pick up the pallet is reverse type. Click to check, allow reversing. Similarly, P2 also allows reversing. After we allow map upload, we save it. After saving is finished, we pull the vehicle back to the route. Then we can see all the machine's operations from this panel. Then the other machine follows the same steps as before. We first need to find its IP. After we enter the software and see this IP, we enter this navigation IP on the computer. After entering, we export the map we just had to this machine. After the upload is complete, we can see this application in all maps. See this shared map of ours. Then we click apply. Let us refresh. The map application is finished. Then we exit this software. After exiting, we enter this software again. We enter the server address again. Retry, click retry. We enter the dispatch. Then we go to add this device. We enter the project we just created. Then we go to add the device. Then we click retry again to enter the app. Then at this time, 2 devices are already shown in our equipment list. Then we go back to, then we click edit map again. Our 2 devices generally use one-way routes. Then make a one-way route dual channel. Let us click add route point. Then we will the forklift. Then we push the forklift to the corresponding position. We add a route on the original basis. We click connect machine. We enter into this IP, and then we can see a current vehicle position. Then we move the machine to the corresponding point. Let us click add route point. Need to click current position. Then the same. We add another route point in another place. Help us click add another route point. Our route attributes need to be set to our default of 200. Then we click add routes. We select a one-way route. Then we make a circular one. We first delete the previous route. Let us set a task template. We create a task template. We select the machine type. Then select the map. You can see the map attributes over here. It is to go to P2 to pick up goods. You add another in the action. We need to click save, and that task is set up. We execute the second task first.